So, bale ito yung piano. It's a Yamaha. May plan ako na i-develop na skill with this piano. I'd like to try sight reading. Actually, the thing kaya ako gustong matutong mag-sight reading is may times kasi na pag may pinapakinggan ako sa YouTube or sa Spotify na magandang song, then I'd like to play it. But playing a song kasi takes time. So, gusto ko pag narinig ko yung kanta, then pag gusto ko siyang i-play, I want to have the ability na meron ako nung music sheet, then babasahin ko, then kaya ko na siyang i-play agad. Alright, so ito na yung setup natin. So we have here yung mga pieces na gusto kong i-play. And what I'm actually looking to play is itong simpleng song na to. Itong Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So makikita nyo, konti lang yung mga notes. Okay, it's working. Okay, so bale yung idea natin is kailangan nating i-play to by just reading it, then playing it without looking sa keyboard. Actually, nagbasa na ako ng mga tips online kanina kung paano ko babasahin at ipi-play at the same time. Try natin tong Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Take 1. Babagalan lang pala natin para mas madali. Ulit. Take 2. Medyo mahirap siya. Alam ko na, para mas madali. Instead na pagsabahin natin yung left sa right hand, what if right hand lang muna? Kasi it takes a lot of brain power para mapag-process ko yun. Hindi pa naman ako ganun kagaling mag sight reading. I think tama naman. Tama. Yung ano niya kasi itong part na to, yung medyo na-off yung tenga ko dun . Kasi pag prinactice ko naman yung kanta by reading first, then playing, then it wouldn't be sight reading na. So hindi ma-develop yung skill ko na kumuha ng bagong piece, then i-play ko yon for the first time. Yun yung gusto ko ma-develop . But I think it will help din naman kapag nagpe-play ako ng kanta, even if hindi perfect, but I read then play simultaneously. By doing that, I think nade-develop pa rin naman yung skill ko sa sight reading. Okay, try pa natin one last time. Take 9001. I think we did it! I think we did it! So, yun, pag nag-ulit-ulit ka pala na mag-play, parang mas nagiging instant sa akin yung pagbasa ng notes. Yeah. So, I think I'll continue from here on. I'll continue sight reading para hopefully next week or next month, mas gumaling na yung skill ko sa pagsa-sight read.